This is the universal safe roll. So you install it, raise the bed halfway, and for ease of access, profile the backrest and knee brake. Position the safe roll underneath the edge of the bed frame with the label facing upwards so you can read it. Lower the bed down into the groove. Then fold the flaps together to secure the safe roll to the edge of the bed. This label should be facing upwards so you can read it while it's connected to the bed. This ensures the safe roll system is the correct way around. So in normal use, the system should look like this. To give care or move the system for hoisting, raise the bed and fold the sections together. The system will raise up with the bed and give clearance to allow hoist access. When you finish giving care and you need the system to go back into position, lower the bed down. And as it approaches the floor, just lift the bottom edge of the system out. And then fold out the second section and it will slide into position again.